So on this episode of Trans Am Depot, see, essentially what we have here is we have half of a car that's good, half of a car that's bad. So we're going to remove said bad half of car so that we have good half of car. And then we will create good whole car, because that's what we do at Depot.
Looking sexy as usual.
You getting your morning pump?
I'm here to pump you up.
What you digging for?
Gold.
It's almost like we had a blast.
Literally. I went through like 4 blades before I got one good blade.
I think we can use this one again though.
They were defective. They kept breaking.
I mean, honestly though,
it could have been because the blade was going into the metal this way, and I'm taking the sawzall like that and that.
Yeah.
Probably could have been user error.
Nah.
Definitely user error.
Phil, we specialize in creating new storage compartments for your Trans Am build. Here you can keep your newspapers or a freshly printed atlas. We were discussing the ergonomics of gloves and how it's really hard to swipe on a phone screen with gloves. Andy was really struggling. I was showing Cody my gloves. He was asking if you could swipe with these gloves, and I said yes, both left and right.
Perfect.
So it turns out that the only thing standing between you and moving your Trans Am by hand is cutting 3/4 of the car away.
And then there's the next piece.
It wasn't all sandwiched together.
Yeah, but there's actually space between this one and the one right underneath it.
I'd say it's missing a quarter panel.
That package tray comes all the way to right here. So this part of the package tray you see there is actually on the inside. So you just have to be careful not to cut into it.
Looks like it's kind of tight in there.
But seat back package tray is out.
That's crazy.
The teeth are in great shape. They just always break off at the shank. And what happens is things get so long, it starts doing like that.
Yeah, it just flakes itself off.
Tighten the set screws up so this doesn't fall out.
I think you got it. So that's exactly why I'm here. So this is the what?
That happens.
Hold on, let me get a close-up of that buttery smooth action. Wow.
And that's the door panel off. It only gets better.
Wow.
All the insulation muffles the sound. So. Oh, I can't take it. That's going home. That's going home right there. You know. All right, on to the next door.
The man says, mic drop.